Club racing changes over time. So when we started, there were many more modified cars. And now the way the club has written the rules, it's really all about trying to keep your cars standard, or the classes being around standard type cars. Ultimately, we know how a fast car should be set up. To get the best out of them, you set them up quite aggressively, and that can be, for someone who's a beginner, that can be a little bit daunting because the cars move around strangely and they feel different. You can sort of dull it off to start with until someone starts to get the best out of that setup, and then you can slowly make it more aggressive. And often that's the best way, because one of the most important things about club racing is confidence. If you've got confidence in the car and it doing what you want it to do, even if it's at a low level, you will go faster simply because you're willing to push it. And so there are times where we've given someone a car that we know is capable of, the best, and they haven't been able to drive it, so we've had to dull it right back. And then after a time, after their skills levels come up, sure enough, the car's ended up, it might be 2 years later, ended up where we first gave it to, we first wanted it to be. And that's up to the individual, about how much they do, what they want out of their club racing, whether it's just to participate and have fun with friends, or whether it's to be competitive.